Number 6. Bolder design philosophy. The outgoing Telluride has maintained a relatively neutral appearance that appeals to a broad audience. That approach changes dramatically with the 2026 redesign. The new generation adopts a far more aggressive stance that draws inspiration from the electric EV9 while maintaining the boxy proportions that made the original successful. The front fascia is getting a complete overhaul with a wider grille that features an illuminated border, creating an unmistakable presence. Vertical LED headlights replace the previous horizontal units, incorporating advanced matrix technology. These lighting elements create a distinctive C-shaped signature that makes the new Telluride instantly recognizable. Flush door handles borrowed from the EV9 add sophistication typically reserved for vehicles costing significantly more. The wheel arches are more pronounced, accommodating wheels up to 22 inches on higher trim levels. At the rear, connected LED taillights span the entire width, replacing the previous upside-down L-shaped units with a more modern appearance. The overall silhouette becomes more upright and angular, with a flatter roofline and sharper creases throughout. The exterior changes are impressive, but they're only the beginning of what separates old from new. Number 5. Different V6 engine. While the bold styling grabs attention, what's under the hood tells an equally interesting story. The outgoing Telluride relies on a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 that produces 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The 2026 model is abandoning this proven unit in favor of a different approach. The new generation is getting a 3.5-liter V6 engine, the same unit currently found in the Kia Carnival minivan. The smaller displacement V6 is rated at 287 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, representing a slight decrease in both power and torque output compared to the outgoing model. The key difference lies not in the raw numbers, but in the injection system and how the engine delivers its power. The new 3.5-liter unit features updated SmartStream technology with improved direct injection and variable valve timing. It revs higher and delivers power in a different band than the current 3.8-liter engine. The higher revving nature translates to a more responsive feel when merging onto highways or passing slower traffic. The improved direct injection system helps the engine extract more energy from each drop of fuel, which is why fuel economy is expected to improve slightly despite similar performance capabilities. This conventional V6 is solid, but for those wanting something more efficient, Kia has an answer. Number 4. Electrification arrives. The new V6 improves efficiency, but it's the addition of a hybrid powertrain that represents the biggest leap forward. The current Telluride is sold exclusively with the V6 engine, with no electrified options available. This has been one of the few consistent criticisms, particularly as fuel economy becomes increasingly important to buyers facing high gas prices. The 2026 model is introducing a hybrid variant that combines a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors. This system delivers 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque, representing a substantial increase over both the current V6 and the new 3.5-liter engine. The electric motor delivers instant torque at low speeds, improving acceleration in urban environments. For families constantly shuttling kids to activities or navigating stop-and-go commutes, this instantaneous response eliminates the lag typical of conventional engines. The hybrid system is expected to achieve approximately 30 miles per gallon combined, a massive improvement over the current model's 21 to 23 miles per gallon ratings. With an estimated 619-mile total driving range, the hybrid Telluride will require significantly fewer fuel stops on long road trips. That's fewer interruptions when you're trying to reach your vacation destination with restless kids in the back seat. All-wheel drive will be available on hybrid models, using a mechanical system rather than relying solely on electric motors for rear-wheel motivation. The battery placement has been carefully engineered to avoid compromising interior space or ground clearance. Speaking of interior space, that's where some of the most dramatic improvements are happening. Number 3. Premium interior transformation. Efficient powertrains are great, but families spend most of their time inside the vehicle, which is why the cabin upgrades matter so much. The current Telluride already offers an impressive interior, particularly considering its price point. However, the 2026 model is taking the cabin experience to an entirely different level that challenges vehicles from luxury brands. The dashboard receives a complete redesign centered around a sweeping panoramic display. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster combines with a 14.6-inch central touchscreen, under a single curved glass panel, creating approximately 30 inches of total screen real estate. Material quality takes a substantial leap forward, with genuine leather and real wood trim, available even on mid-level configurations. Top-spec X Pro models will introduce unique color palettes with contrasting stitching and 64-color ambient lighting. The seating arrangement receives meaningful improvements. Second-row track travel increases by 1.6 inches, making third-row access substantially easier. Anyone who's wrestled with getting elderly parents or tall passengers into a third row knows this frustration. The new design eliminates that awkward contortion act. The third row itself gets more supportive cushioning and an additional 1.2 inches of legroom, transforming it from occasional seating to a genuinely comfortable space for adult passengers. The panoramic sunroof expands to extend over all 3 rows, creating an airy, open feeling throughout the cabin. Sound insulation improves dramatically with enhanced structural rigidity and more acoustic dampening material. The premium materials and quiet cabin are impressive, but the technology integration takes things even further. Number 2. Advanced technology integration. A luxurious interior needs sophisticated technology to match. The current Telluride features a competent but aging infotainment system displayed on separate screens. The 2026 model is introducing Kia's latest CCNC infotainment platform with significantly faster processing, sharper graphics, and more intuitive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration becomes standard, but the system goes further with a smart connection feature that automatically pairs smartphones as drivers approach the vehicle. The Digital Key 2 system works with all major smartphone brands and smartwatches, allowing owners to leave traditional keys at home. Highway Driving Assist 2.0 comes standard across all trim levels, providing semi-autonomous capabilities including automatic lane changes. The adaptive cruise control functions in stop-and-go traffic, while the system communicates with navigation to preemptively slow for upcoming curves or exits. On those long highway drives where fatigue sets in, this technology acts as a vigilant co-pilot. Comfort features reach new heights with 16-way power-adjustable front seats, including massage functions on higher trims. Second-row captain's chairs gain heating and ventilation, while tri-zone climate control ensures every passenger travels in comfort. A new air filtration system can remove 99.9% of airborne particles and viruses, creating a healthier environment for all occupants. All these features sound expensive, which brings us to the final and perhaps most important difference. Number 1. Increased pricing with enhanced value. With everything we've covered, you're probably wondering what all these improvements will cost. The current Telluride starts around $37,000 for base LX models, positioning it as an exceptional value in the 3-row SUV segment. The 2026 model is going to get much closer to $40,000, representing a modest increase when accounting for inflation and the significant list of added features. Mid-range trims are expected to see similar increases, with S models starting around $43,000 and EX configurations at approximately $45,000. The range-topping SXX Pro will climb above $50,000, but even at this price point, it will undercut similarly equipped competitors from established brands. The hybrid variants naturally command premium pricing, with base Telluride hybrid models starting around $43,000 to $44,000. This represents a $4,000 to $5,000 premium over equivalent V6 models, but the improved fuel economy will help offset this initial cost through reduced fuel expenses over time. The top-of-the-line hybrid X Pro with all available features will reach approximately $55,000, still thousands less than similarly equipped competitors from Toyota and Ford. What makes this pricing structure particularly noteworthy is how Kia is maintaining the Telluride's value proposition, despite pushing further upmarket. By delivering near-luxury levels of refinement while keeping prices in check, the 2026 Telluride continues the model's tradition of offering exceptional value in the 3-row SUV segment. The gap between the outgoing Telluride and the 2026 model is wider than anyone anticipated. Kia isn't simply updating what already works, they're completely reimagining what a mainstream 3-row SUV can be. The bolder exterior gives it road presence that rivals luxury brands. The new powertrain options, particularly the hybrid, address the single biggest weakness of the current model while delivering more power. The interior transformation brings materials and technology that were unthinkable at this price point just a few years ago. Most importantly, Kia is accomplishing all of this while keeping prices remarkably competitive. For anyone shopping for a 3-row SUV, these 6 differences make it clear. The wait for the new generation will be worth it. Mainstream three-row SUVs with luxury pretensions are becoming more and more common these days, which is why you have to check out our video about the 2026 Mazda CX-90. If you think that aesthetics are the only aspect where mainstream SUVs can compete with premium badged models, this one will prove you wrong. Not only does it look super elegant and luxurious, but the CX-90 offers genuine premium performance with its wonderful, longitudinally placed 6-cylinder engines.